Everybody, Zachary Fruling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI Basic programming book for the TI-99 4A home computer. The book is 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 74, as we're creeping up on 3/4 of the way there. This program, number 74, is called Dollars and Cents. I'm going to read the very brief program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates the TI-99 4A on a modern PC, get into TI Basic from there inside the emulator, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. So without further ado, let's dive into number 74, Dollars and Cents. If the result of your computation is a, quote, money answer, and you don't know whether to display it in dollars or cents, let the computer decide. This program decides whether to display the output in dollars or cents. Line 50 in the program makes the decision. Okay, let's get into Classic 99. Press 1 for TI Basic. And let's start typing. See, can we fit all this in one screen? We can't. Okay, so let's start here. 10, call clear to clear the screen. 20, input quantity. And let's get the punctuation exactly as written. So just a space, quote, and we're going to call that P for some reason. 30, input total cost. I think we just had a space and a dollar sign. Yep. Okay, end quote, and we're going to call that C for cost. 40, T equals C divided by P. T equals C divided by P. 50, if T is less than 1, then 70. 60, go to 90. 70, T equals 100 times T. 80, go to 140. 90, print each cost. Space, dollar sign, end quote, semicolon T. 100. Okay, we've got 3 blank print lines, 100 through 120. $140 print. Wait a minute. Did I miss a line here? Oh yeah, I did. Sure, look, 130 go to 20. There we go. That looks better. 140. Print each cost. Semicolon T, semicolon, quote, cents. That looks right. And 150 go to 100. Okay. Let's clear the screen, list the program. Looking for math errors, syntax errors, any obvious typos, that kind of thing. And at a glance, it looks pretty good, so let's run it. Quantity. I don't know. 15. Total cost. 678. Each cost 45.2 cents. Okay, so now let's find something that works in terms of dollars. So quantity 15, Total cost $678.50. Each cost $45.23. Okay, so let's do it again here. I don't know, quantity 33. Total cost, let's do it so the total cost, so the cost per item is going to be under $1. So I don't know, how about $47.69? Oh, I'm sorry, that's going to be just over $1. Backwards. Okay, 33. Let's do, I don't know, how about $23.69? That's what I meant to do, something like that. So yeah, you can see that the program is seamlessly switching between listing the result as a dollar value versus a value in terms of cents, based on whether it's over or under $1. Pretty straightforward little program. Let's do one more. I don't know, 150 quantity, total cost, let's do 133.95. Each cost 89.3 cents. But if I did 150 and now did, let's say, $163.95, now it's going to list the result in terms of dollars, not in terms of cents. It's a handy little program. That is all there is to it. That was program number 74, Dollars and Cents, from this old TI Basic Programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, my favorite retro computing system. I'm working my way through all 101 of these programs, so if you're watching this live on Twitch, stay tuned because I'm going to be ending the stream and restarting the stream periodically as I work through these programs one at a time. I'm going to do a small number of them tonight, and I'm not going to rest until I get to all 101 done in this book, and it's a bit of a grind. These programs aren't long, but it takes a while to type them in, and having a lot of fun doing it. If you're watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, or under my real name, Zachary Fruling, for lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos of interest to me both professionally and personally. If you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing. Check out my YouTube channel for all the above. If you're watching this on YouTube, please check out my Twitch channel. It's under Cozy Azeroth. You can catch me live streaming programming videos and gaming videos in a wide variety of topics, different kinds of games and whatnot. In any case, I appreciate the enthusiasm for this these anachronistic TI-99 4A videos. It's an awesome little retro computer if you're not familiar with it. I'm using an emulator, of course, because it's easier to stream from the emulator. But I appreciate the enthusiasm, likes, follows, and especially subscriptions, which do help me out greatly in these challenging and awfully disturbing financial times. So I'll be back soon with the next video, so stay tuned if you're watching this live. The next program is Wages and Hours, and I'm not going to peek ahead yet until I get busy working on that video, but if you're watching this live, I'll be back in a small number of minutes, 5, 10, 15 minutes, somewhere in there, and I will get busy continuing our trek through 101 programming tips and tricks for the TI-99 4A. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.